Hi everyone, this is Kelsey at Owl HQ. In this video, we're going to go over how to restore previously opened tabs after you close your web browser. I think this has probably happened to all of us at one point or another. Maybe you were working in your browser and you meant to click the resize button or the menu button, and you accidentally clicked the X, which closed the browser and your open tabs completely. Yes, you can go to your browser history and use that to open up the sites you were using, but there is an easier way. We'll start in Google Chrome, then move on to Mozilla Firefox and Microsoft Edge. Open Chrome and click the menu button in the top right corner. Hover your mouse over History, and you should see a section called Recent Tabs, and a line that says X number of tabs. In my case, it's 4 tabs. Hover your mouse over that line, and then click Restore Window. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-T after you open Chrome again. While other browsers will warn you when you're about to close a browser with multiple tabs open, as of filming this video in March 2024, Chrome does not do this. Open Firefox and click the menu button in the top right corner. Click History, then click Restore Previous Session. You can change Firefox's settings so that it will warn you before you close the browser with multiple tabs open. Click the menu button, then Settings. In the General tab, in the Tabs section, click the box next to Confirm before closing multiple tabs. Now, when you close Firefox with multiple tabs open, a box will pop up asking you to confirm whether you want to close the browser. Open Edge and click the menu button in the top right corner. Click History, and then click the Recently Closed tab section of the history. Then click where it says Site Name and X more tabs. In my case, it says Google and 3 more tabs. Click this button and Edge will restore the tabs that were open the last time you used the browser. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control-Shift-T after you open Edge again. You can change Edge's settings so that it will warn you before you close the browser with multiple tabs open. Click the menu button, then click Settings, and in the left-hand menu, click the Appearance section. Scroll down until you see the Customize Browser section, and toggle on the button that says Ask before closing a window with multiple tabs. Now, when you try to close Edge with multiple tabs open, you'll get a pop-up box asking if you want to close all tabs, and then you need to confirm that you want to close them all. And that's it for this video on how to restore browser tabs in 3 major browsers. I hope it's been helpful, and thanks for watching.